Nanotechnology is the control of matter at the atomic and molecular level. It's like building with Legos, but instead of plastic bricks, we use atoms and molecules. This technology operates at a scale 1/1000th of a meter, which is incredibly small. To put it in perspective, a sheet of paper is about 100,000 nanometers thick. At this scale, materials often exhibit unique properties. The implications of working at such a minute level are vast, especially in medicine. This is where nanomedicine comes in. Nanomedicine utilizes nanotechnology to prevent, diagnose, and treat diseases. Imagine microscopic robots traveling through your bloodstream, delivering drugs directly to cancer cells, or repairing damaged tissues at the molecular level. This is not science fiction, it's the future of medicine. Nanomedicine holds the potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it, offering innovative solutions to some of the world's most pressing medical challenges. From targeted drug delivery to regenerative medicine, the possibilities are seemingly endless. As we delve deeper into the world of nanomedicine, we'll explore its key applications, recent breakthroughs, and the potential impact it has on the future of healthcare. Join me on this exciting journey as we unlock the future of medicine, 1 nanometer at a time. Nanomedicine is already making waves in various medical fields. One of the most promising applications is targeted drug delivery. Traditional drug delivery methods often result in drugs affecting healthy tissues, leading to side effects. Nanomedicine offers a solution. Using nanoparticles, we can deliver drugs directly to the affected cells. These nanoparticles act like tiny smart bombs, carrying the drug payload and releasing it only when they reach the target site. This targeted approach minimizes damage to healthy cells, reduces side effects, and improves treatment efficacy. Another exciting area is diagnostics. Nanosensors, tiny devices that can detect specific molecules, are being developed for early disease detection. Imagine a simple blood test that could detect cancer cells before a tumor even forms. Nanomedicine is making this a reality. Moreover, nanotechnology is revolutionizing regenerative medicine. Scientists are exploring the use of nanomaterials to repair damaged tissues and organs. These materials act as scaffolds, guiding the growth of new cells and promoting tissue regeneration. This could revolutionize the treatment of conditions like spinal cord injuries and organ failure. Looking ahead, the future of nanomedicine shines brightly with promise. As our understanding of nanotechnology and its applications grows, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in healthcare. Imagine a world where diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's are no longer life-threatening. Nanomedicine could make this a reality. Researchers are developing nanobots, tiny robots that can perform surgery at the cellular level. These nanobots could, for instance, target and destroy cancer cells with incredible precision, leaving healthy cells unharmed. Furthermore, nanomedicine holds immense potential in the field of personalized medicine. By analyzing an individual's genetic makeup and using nanotechnology to deliver tailored treatments, we can optimize therapeutic outcomes and minimize adverse effects. The possibilities are truly limitless. As we continue to invest in research and development, nanomedicine has the potential to transform healthcare from a reactive system to a proactive one, focusing on early detection, personalized treatment, and disease prevention. The impact of nanomedicine extends far beyond treating individual patients. It has the potential to transform global health, particularly in developing countries where access to healthcare is limited. Nanotechnology-based diagnostic tools can be designed to be portable, affordable, and easy to use, making them ideal for resource-limited settings. Imagine a handheld device that can diagnose diseases like malaria or HIV with a single drop of blood, providing rapid and accurate results without the need for sophisticated laboratory equipment. This could revolutionize disease surveillance and control in remote areas. Furthermore, nanomedicine can play a crucial role in addressing global health challenges such as vaccine development and drug resistance. Nanoparticles can be used to create more effective and stable vaccines that can be stored and transported at room temperature, eliminating the need for expensive cold chains. In conclusion, nanomedicine has the potential to bridge the healthcare gap between developed and developing countries. By providing affordable, accessible, and effective healthcare solutions, nanomedicine can contribute to a healthier and more equitable world. While the potential of nanomedicine is vast, it also presents ethical considerations and challenges that must be carefully addressed. One concern is the potential toxicity of some nanomaterials. As with any new technology, thorough safety testing is crucial to ensure that the benefits of nanomedicine outweigh any potential risks. Another challenge is the equitable distribution of nanomedicine's benefits. It's essential to ensure that these groundbreaking treatments are accessible to everyone, regardless of their socioeconomic status or geographic location. International collaboration and ethical guidelines are vital to prevent disparities in access to nanomedical technologies. Furthermore, the development and implementation of nanomedicine raise privacy concerns. As we delve deeper into personalized medicine and data-driven healthcare, protecting patient privacy and ensuring the responsible use of medical data are paramount. Strict regulations and ethical frameworks must be in place to address these concerns. In conclusion, while nanomedicine offers tremendous promise, it's essential to proceed with caution, addressing ethical considerations and potential challenges proactively. Open dialogue, transparency, and responsible innovation are crucial to harnessing the full potential of nanomedicine for the benefit of all humankind. Nanomedicine represents a paradigm shift in healthcare, offering unprecedented opportunities to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases at the molecular level. From targeted drug delivery to regenerative medicine and personalized therapies, the applications of nanomedicine are vast and continuously evolving. As we continue to push the boundaries of nanotechnology, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come. The potential of nanomedicine to transform global health is immense. By providing affordable, accessible, and effective healthcare solutions, nanomedicine can help bridge the healthcare gap and address some of the world's most pressing medical challenges. However, it's crucial to proceed with caution, addressing ethical considerations and potential challenges proactively. As we stand on the cusp of this medical revolution, it's our collective responsibility to ensure that nanomedicine is developed and implemented responsibly, ethically, and equitably. By fostering collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to patient well-being, we can unlock the full potential of nanomedicine and usher in a new era of healthcare, where diseases are conquered and human health is enhanced for generations.